10/6/2013, we have the Amazon weekly chart before us. It's an extremely overbought stock on a weekly basis at fresh 52-week highs. That 52-week high was 322.92. The daily chart, once again, we're right up here at these highs. We've had a slight reversal. There is some downside to Amazon with the fact that we're going into the quarterly earnings, but what are we really looking at is why Amazon would come down and have a reversal. When we take a look at the monthly chart on Amazon.com, we can see that the stochastics and the MACD and the momentum is up here at the high. We're going to be looking at the 320 put options for the regular October expiration period. We will be dealing with the quarterly profits in the latter part of October when Amazon reports its quarterly profits. We know that retail has been weak across the board. So once again, when we're looking at plays, we're looking at the support level where it just refuses to break below the 310 area and trading up to the 322 area. So there's a $12 range in here. So when we look at shorting it, we look at shorting up there at the high in that overbought area and then letting it come back down and buy the cover. So we can see where the stock would trade back down to 304. That's where the support level is going to be. The support level will be right about here on the top of this particular weekly bar. On a daily level, when we take a look at the 20-day simple moving average at 309.87, that would be a short-term support where it consolidated to make that 52-week high. Once again, the bellwether Amazon has been performing extremely well in calendar 2013. We know that there have been previous times where we've shorted Amazon back here. Back in, it was back in July, going into August, and it came straight down and got support on the 100-day and made another 52-week high. That's what the bull's been about. So we're looking at taking this one down. The 50-day simple moving average is right below 300. That's 299.99. So there are going to be support levels at 10-day simple moving average, which will be the short-term support at 316. Once we break below it, like I said, it's going to come down here, and this is where the support was, right over here where the last reversal was in the latter part of July, going into the month of August, when we were short Amazon at that time. The 305 area is where it broke through that major resistance level, which is right here, and we continued to move higher on this daily level. So all eyes moving forward on Amazon.com. We expect the price volatility to increase as we get closer to the quarterly earnings, which will be in the latter part, the second or the third week of October. So MMTs, we're looking at getting the 325 and the 322 are the 320 put options, because that high was 322 up here. So there's a fat trade on the put side of Amazon. Short-term trade. It's nothing to hold on to forever. It's very short-term. Reversal in play.